Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale language learning with LingoDeer, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with LingoDeer, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account using your email or social media login. After logging in, select the language you want to learn from the list of available options. Familiarize yourself with the app's interface by exploring its main features. Start with the beginner lessons, which are designed to introduce you to basic vocabulary and grammar. Each lesson consists of multiple activities, including listening, speaking, and reading exercises. Take your time with each activity to ensure you fully understand the material. Make use of the review function to reinforce what you've learned in previous lessons. Set a daily learning goal to keep yourself accountable and motivated. Use the progress tracker to monitor your learning journey and celebrate milestones. Engage with the grammar tips provided throughout the lessons for deeper understanding. Don't hesitate to revisit earlier lessons if you feel unsure about any concepts. Use the flashcards feature for vocabulary retention and quick revision. Join the language community within the app to connect with other learners for support. Consider using the offline mode to continue learning without internet access. Always seek out additional resources or cultural content related to the language you're learning for a broader context. Stay consistent with your practice and adjust your learning strategy as necessary to fit your progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.